Hello everyone and welcome back to Lessons. Today I come with this one math question and try to solve by your own to feature in our shortout list. These all are top commenters. Right or wrong, whatever your answer, please comment. Okay, I will give you shortout. So first what we have 80 divided by 4 parenthesis 2 plus 3 close parenthesis. So if you think you are solving like 80 divided by 4 into 3 plus 2, we have to do parenthesis first, as we know, the PEMDAS. 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. And if you solve like 80 divided by 5 times 4, that is equal to 20. And 80 by 20, which gives us 4. So 4 is the right answer. No, this is wrong. So what will be the right answer? You will write again question over here. 80 divided by 4 into 5. So according to PEMDAS, division and multiplication have the same priority and have to solve left to right. So first we have to operate this 80 divided by 4. So when we do operation 80 divided by 4, what we will get as 20. 80 divided by 4, which equals to 20. So and now we will divide 20 times 5. So our final answer will be 20 times 5, which equals to 100. So 100 is the right answer. Try to solve these math questions and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.